So happy to see you in my YouTube channel daily Sana with the new gadgets, tricks, ideas and organizers that can make your life so much easy and organize it. You can find all these wonderful gadgets at Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress. For everyone who wants to order these tools, I advise you to download the application on the phone, and in the search box you can write the things you want, such as drawer organizer for example, and the application will suggest to you all the existing gadgets with the price. It's really simple and
Organizing under your bed, this set of rolling storage containers are perfect. The wheels make it easy to move around, and you can lock the wheels to keep them in place. It was super easy to set up, and now we can neatly store away extra toys and clothes.
This trivet looks like a cat and protects your countertops from hot items like pots and pans. This is a utensil holder that looks like a dog, and it also doubles as a steam release. This is an avocado peeler that cuts your avocados in perfect slices. And it's also dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean. This basting brush lets you easily spread oil or butter on your meat, toast, or fruit. This is a utensil holder that looks like a crab, and it's heat resistant, so you can put it on any pot.
I have a gadget I think you'll love. We have pizza night every Friday, and we've been using this since we got it. This pizza pack is genius. Instead of storing a big box in the fridge, use this expandable pizza pack. It also has 5 microwavable plates. It keeps your pizza fresh longer, and when not in use, it collapses for easy storage.
Fine. These suction cup hooks don't require any adhesive. You simply twist them on and off. Will stick onto any flat surface and can hold up to 15 pounds. Last, this portable light will come in handy in so many different ways. It comes with a removable, flexible tripod base, will work indoor and outdoor, and is also magnetic.
Wavable popcorn maker that makes movie nights a little more simple. You fill 1 lidful for half a pot and 2 lidfuls for a full pot. Add your butter on top and pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes, depending on your microwave. And bonus, it's dishwasher safe. This multi-use extendable sink strainer that fits most any sink. I use it for washing our fruit, draining pasta, and as a drying rack for our knives. Also dishwasher safe. This 4-piece of heavy-duty cooking gloves that are heat resistant, waterproof, and pot holders that I use to open jars as well. These motion sensor rechargeable lights that come with a magnetic strip, so you can put them almost anywhere. They're especially perfect for at night, so I don't have to turn on the overhead light. These silicone reusable air fryer liners that come in a 2-pack and are dishwasher safe.
This lightweight shopping cart opens at the touch of a button and comes with a collapsible bin, so you never have to deal with other shopping carts again. Its compact design allows it to maneuver effortlessly through the grocery store. It holds up to 132 pounds of groceries, has a bottom level for another bin, and eliminates the need for bags. And when you're done, just simply lift off your grocery bins and collapse the cart.
Amazon kitchen fave. These fridge containers have so many features. There's a removable divider that can also be used to layer your produce, a removable basket, and bottom drainage. The pack comes with 3 different sizes, perfect for fruits and or vegetables. They are stackable and have 2 vents in the top. Linked in my Amazon shop under kitchen faves.
Okay, these might be 2 of my favorite kitchen gadgets of all time. First up is this apple slicer and corer, but it's not just like any other apple slicer. This one actually slices double the amount of apples as a typical slicer. And they're thinner in size, which I love because I'm constantly giving them to my toddler who has an easier time with the thinner size. And next up, this gadget is the best and easiest way to slice pineapple, hands down. You simply cut off the stem of the pineapple and then twist the device through the center, and it peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple into perfectly shaped rings in seconds.
Plastic sleeves protect your bottles of any size so that they don't leak or explode while traveling. This adjustable belt secures your handbag onto your suitcase so that you don't need to carry it separately. And this collapsible mug comes with a straw and is perfect for hot and cold drinks.
5 Amazon kitchen hacks. Number 7 is my pickle fork that you can just mount straight to the jar, so it's always there for you when you need it the most.
Oh, that's nice.
Number 8 helps me get rid of all of my saran wrap because it's the worst thing ever, and I think I'm literally just going to take all this time to express how much I hate saran wrap. It's the worst, and this is so much better.
Calm down, weirdo.
Number 6 are my little appliance wheels that you can just put on any appliance to make it mobile. Just use the double-sided tape to stick it where you want, and then you'll be all set.
That's cool.
Number 3 is this veggie slicer that helps you cut vegetables in 5 different ways. I didn't know you could cut veggies in so many different ways, but now I can, and I feel so fancy when I do it.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
These boot inserts keep your boots in proper shape and well ventilated. The insert also has a hole in case you like to hang your boots. And these hooks slide onto your hangers, allowing you to group outfits together and save space. They come in a pack of 36, so I now like to have them on all of my hangers.
Dish drying rack is perfect for everyday use. It's stainless steel and silicone, so it grips to your sink and stays there. It also has a built-in utensil holder and a spot for your lids too. I love using it for when I'm washing my fruits and veggies as well. You can also use it for a cooling rack. Be sure to measure your sink before you purchase, as there are a few different sizes available.
This is a mini portable washer, and it washes delicates, shirts, and shorts in 5, 8, or 10-minute cleaning cycles. It's really easy to use. Simply add water and detergent to clean and pick your cleaning cycle.
This multifunctional scrubber lets you automatically clean water bottles, tumblers, mugs, and even baby bottles with minimal effort. It's rechargeable, has 2 speeds, comes with 2 different brush heads, and the best part is, you can stand it up or mount it on the wall.
Amazon shopping finds. This foldable cart has a lid and 360-degree wheels, allowing you to go up the stairs with ease. It's great for grocery shopping or transporting all kinds of stuff. And this grocery bag clip twists and locks all of your bags into place, making them easier to carry in your hand or over your shoulder.
Narrow 3-tier organizing rack, which is perfect for holding cleaning supplies and detergents and is small enough to fit in lots of tight spaces. Next are these mesh laundry bags that come in a pack of 7 and have over 38,000 reviews and come with a size for everything to keep your garments protected and organized in the wash.
Lets you cook 2 meals at one time, lets you easily grab your meals, and cleanup is fast and easy. These heat-resistant stove shelves magnetically attach, giving you a little bit more organizational space in your kitchen for spices and condiments. They're rental-friendly and dishwasher safe to clean. And this bowl has a built-in colander for easily washing produce and a removable meal prep cover that comes with 7 meal prep discs for prepping produce.
This cloud suitcase, which is hard shell and has lots of storage. These organizer boxes that can be used for lots of different types of items. These elastic bands you place over your sheets to keep them organized. This hard shell waterproof toiletry bag to store all of your essentials on the go. Last is this cable organizer box to hide ugly and messy cords.
While keeping big kitchen knives and cutlery organized, this expandable tray can fit to any size of drawer and has specific labeled compartments for cutlery and larger kitchen tools. And this cool gadget is a magnetic self-stirring mug that evenly mixes liquids and powders together like instant coffee and hot chocolate. I love that it comes with a spill-proof lid that keeps your beverage hot, is waterproof for cleaning, and is rechargeable.
Amazon Bathroom Storage Find. If you have limited space in your bathroom to store toilet paper, then grab yourself this toilet paper dispenser. It can fit up to 12 rolls of standard toilet paper, and once you grab a roll from the bottom, a new one dispenses down. It's made of metal, has a sleek design, and even has a shelf on the top. It's in my Amazon.
If you don't like your hand touching the toilet seat to lift the lid, grab these rental-friendly lid lifters. It allows you to lift the seat on the outside instead. And maximize cabinet space in your laundry room or pantry with this gadget. It holds onto laundry room items like dryer sheets or rolls of plastic wrap or aluminum foil in your pantry, keeping your home a little more organized.